Thanks.
Good looking, little bro.
He's talking good. Don't feed him too much. He might get diarrhea.
Oh no. Take some more. Some more. So cute.
You got papaya. Do they like papaya, I wonder? Oh my gosh, look at him. He's not scared at all. Oh, there's more. Do we have any more bananas?
Oh, he squared down.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh, what are they doing?
There's a little.
There's more. You want some banana?
There's two really ripe ones over in the